Example 1, factor 4ax squared plus 4xy. Now, the factoring we're going to do today is going to be greatest common factor factoring. So we're going to continue on in this line of factoring here in the near future. We're going to do trinomial factoring. We're also going to be doing differences of squares, that kind of stuff. So things we've done before, but just a refresher course here. Greatest common factor, we're looking for the largest numerical value that evenly divides the numbers and largest variable that can be taken out of all the common variables. So notice both these numbers 4 are the same number, so the largest number I can extract is a 4. The only variable we have in common is x, and we can take out the lowest power. That's what's in common. All right, so
this is for least common denominator.
the greatest common factor is what it's called. Yes, greatest common factor is what it's called. And again, the greatest common factor of a common letter is the lowest power. So x to the first. If I extract 4x to the first out of each object, 4 divided by 4 is 1. We don't have to write 1 unless nothing else shows up. All right, a divided by nothing makes a, so I don't have to write the 1. X squared divided by x is x. Plus, and then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Again, I don't have to write the 1 yet. X divided by x cancels, so still the 1's necessary. Y though, so y, we don't have to write the 1. All right, so make sure that 1's in your mind until you don't have to write it down. If other stuff gets written down, the 1's not necessary to write. In general, you find the common factor, and then you take out the common factor, leaving the leftovers. When it says factor, your answer should look like this. I'm not looking just for the greatest common factor. I'm looking for the actual factored form. This expression is equivalent to the original expression. If I FOILed it, or did distributive property, do that to it, what's 4x times ax equal? 4ax squared. And what does 4x times y equal? 4xy. The original expression is still there, it's just in a different form. The factored form is what I'm looking for. So again, this is the final answer, that's what I'm looking for. But again, if you want to verify the correctness of that answer, this times this should make that, this times this should make that. The original expression should still be there.